Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making bacon, cheddar, chive, scones. Could I add something else in? Maybe, but who needs to, because you got bacon and cheddar and chives in these scones. I've made a lot of scones that have been sweet, but this is a savory variety, which you can have with a salad, soup. Do you need those? You really don't. Eat them by themselves. I'm also making them because we are gonna make scones for goodness sake. Bacon, cheddar, chive, we are really gonna bake. Bake them, oh yes, and then we're gonna eat them. If you'll remember from my other scone videos, this recipe comes together quickly. You want it all cold. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 425 degrees right now. Whisk all the dry ingredients together. 2 cups of all-purpose flour or pastry flour. Note, I have cut this recipe in half. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 2 teaspoons sugar. My scones may be smaller than the ones you're making, and that's okay. Honestly, I didn't have enough bacon, so that's why I had to cut the recipe in half, but it'll turn out the same, so watch along. Work in your butter. This is 2 tablespoons, but yours will be 4 tablespoons of unsalted cold butter. You can use your fingers or this pastry cutter. Now that this is unevenly crumbly, go ahead and add your cheese. 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. Grate it yourself. 1/3 cup chives. These are dried. I'm adding them in. Bacon. You'll want about 1/2 pound crumbled. This is about 1/4. Add 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, or just heavy cream, until it comes together. We're gonna squeeze it together. It has come together. Move your scone to a well-floured surface. Any bits that remain, we're just gonna squeeze there on top. Squeeze into a disc that's about 3/4 inch thick. Again, because I have this recipe, I am looking for about 3.5 inches across. Yours will be about 7. Go ahead and transfer your disc to your baking sheet. And we're gonna cut pieces out of this and separate them. Take some remaining cream. Yours will be 2 tablespoons, this is 1 tablespoon. And let's go ahead and brush the tops of the scones. So give it a really nice finish in the oven. Middle to top third back. We're going to bake them for about 22 to 24 minutes until they're a lovely golden brown. Because mine are smaller, I'm going to check on them probably about 18 minutes. They look nice and golden brown and smell so good. You can let them cool directly on the pan and then serve them warm, or room temperature, or you can freeze them, but you'll really want to eat them. So let's do that. Look at the scone. It's a nice golden brown on top, and you can see the cheddar pieces and the bacon pieces and the chive pieces in there. They smell heavenly. Only one thing left to do, and that's to taste it. So let's take a bite. You know, I'm not sure. I think maybe I need to taste another bite. These are delicious. I taste the bacon. I taste the cheddar. And I taste the chives coming through at the end. These are delicious. Do we need savory scones? Yes, I think we do. In fact, I think you might need them in your life too. Everybody needs savory scones. If I can make savory scones for the very first time with you, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram.